Sat Sri Akal. Today we're going to be reading and understanding Doha by Kabir Das ji. It's very interesting. Gauri Cheti, Ikonkar Satgur Prasad. Har jas sunhi, na har gun gavahi. Neither do you listen to the Lord's praise, neither do you worship him, neither do you sing, neither do you believe in him. बात नहीं आसमान गिरा वही. But when such people talk, they talk with so much of conviction and cunningness that they are able to drop the sky. So there is a saying in English, right? There's an idiom that says, empty vessels make the most noise. This somehow maps to that loosely, which is there are some people in the world who are themselves shallow and hollow from within, but they are so sharp and shrewd that they have the power to trip you with their conversation. So be careful of such people. ऐसे लोगन से क्या कहीजे? What can you do with such people? They exist all around us. जो प्रभ किए भक्ति ते बाहज, तिन ते सदा डराने रहीजे. These are those people that the Lord themselves has excluded for now from his devotion. And with such people, the answer to that question, that what do we do with such people, the answer is recognize such people who are devoid of faith, faith in humanity, faith in doing good, faith in the Lord, and faith in empathy. And what do? Tin te sada darane rahije. Sada, always be wary of such people and stay away from such people, and really be fearful of such people. Why fearful? Fearful because they have the gift of gab and they have the power to trip you and misuse you and misrepresent you. Rahao. Aap na de churu dar pani. Such people don't even offer an iota of water, which means that they are not the one to help. They are not the one to come forward. They are not the one to help humanity or anyone but themselves. But what do? Tin teh ninde jeh Ganga aani. But those who fight to bring forth the Ganges, those who fight to do good, to create humanity, to take forth humanity and do good in their lives and take forth their own purpose and their lives forward, what do? They criticize such people. They talk ill and humiliate such people because that is who they are. Bethat uthat kutilata chale. When they are sitting or they are standing, their ways are crooked. So even when someone's supposed to be at peace, if that person is crooked and cunning and shrewd, that shrewdness and cunningness is who they are innately. Aap gaye auran hu ghale. They themselves are lost. And what do? They take others and they misguide others and they influence others to be lost themselves. So they are not happy that they themselves are lost. They believe that they are so good in what they're doing that they influence others and misguide others to also lose themselves. Chad kuch racha, aan na janahi. If you leave this this shrewdness, right? They don't know anything else. Leaving this behavior and attitude, they know no other. ब्रह्मा हु को kahi na mane. Why do they not even listen to Brahma, the Lord Brahma who created everything? They are so full of themselves and they have faith and a conviction in only their cunningness, their intelligence, their cleverness, that they don't believe in anything else. आप गए औरन हु खोवे. They themselves are aimless. They themselves are running around helter and skelter, trying to get validation, trying to get more and more. Filled with greed, they do the same with others. That is the path they know, and when they talk to others, they lead others on that same path. And when they are on that path of greed and vices, when they are lost, when they themselves don't know who they are, what have they indirectly done? आग लगाए मंदिर में सोवे. Our body is our temple, a temple that God created, a temple that we can fill with good thoughts, with good vibes, with good intentions and good actions that will then multiply when the God graces us, or we can fill it with negativity and vibes and shrewdness and cleverness. But when we do that, you know what we're indirectly doing? Kabir Das tells us, he says, you are putting fire, you are lighting your own temple with fire, which means that you are causing doom to yourself and you don't even realize it, because us mandir mein sove, you are sleeping in that temple. Your own temple, which is supposed to be your sanctum and your place of safety and security, you have ruined it with your thoughts and cleverness and action and arrogance, and you don't even realize it, my friend. You don't even have faith. Avran hasat aap hai kane. You laugh at others when others try and do good, when others talk about humanity, when others talk about making a difference in the world and being charitable and being good. You laugh at them because you think it is foolish, it is silly that they are putting their lives at risk, that they are giving themselves up to save someone else. But what they don't realize is that they themselves have only one eye, that they themselves are squinted in their thought. And because they are squinted, they cannot see the joy, the bliss, the peace, the growth, the maturity, the love, the faith, the life that one gets when one leads a life of believing the Lord and being a good human. Tinko dekh Kabir lajane. Looking at such people, all Kabir Das can say, I am embarrassed that they are even humans and that they them have come to the earth and taken the human form, and this is how they behave and this is how they do. And looking at them, I am only embarrassed, says Kabir Das. A lot of information here that tells you about our world and what we need to be doing. I hope this is helpful. Do reflect on it, do think on it, and catch yourself when you find yourself going wrong. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.